Okay, this worked example, what you need to do, we're not really dealing with numbers here. We're not really dealing with numbers. We're talking about the language of probability. We're talking about statements of probability. So what we need to do is we need to describe the chance. Now you will get questions like this, and you will be expected to write a sentence, a proper sentence. Capital letter, full stop, everything.
What is this?
Yeah. Don't necessarily have to have a comma. If you're doing compound sentences, that would be lovely. But okay, so describe the chance of each of the following events occurring. So the chance of tossing a coin and it landing heads.
So can you just put that in 50%?
If you write 50-50 and that's it.
No, there is a 50%.
There is a 50-50 chance.
50-50 chance.
That chance will occur.
If you leave.
Now, this one here. Oh, wow.
Someone said 50 chance.
50-50. Now, where I've got 50-50 eventually, you could put 50%. But 50-50, 50%, anything along those lines is pretty good. Okay. Next one says, what's the probability, or describe the chance. See how it's not asking what's the probability, it's actually saying describe the chance.
Where's this describe?
That's at the start, at the question.
Oh.
Describe the chance. Doesn't ask for what the probability is, asks you to describe it. So describe the chance of rolling a 6 with one die. Yeah, that's a number though. I would say that it's probably unlikely. You've only got one chance out of 6. Okay? So it's probably, I would say, unlikely. So I'm just going to write the word unlikely. You have to form a sentence. I would say that unlikely would be the answer for that one.
What's that answer? B.
That would be B.
That would be B.
So you have to form a sentence for that. The third one is winning the lottery.
Impossible, that really is.
Not impossible.
$1.
Very unlikely. Very unlikely.
Very unlikely. Well, you could say nearly impossible. I actually worked it out because I was talking about the Powerball, and Mr. Lovelock wanted to get us all to put money in, and I explained to him that I can't with good conscience put money into something that I have less of a chance, or one in number, I have less of a chance than I have seconds remaining in my life.
That's nice.
The amount of seconds that the average male lives for, there are more of them, there are less of them than there is, like it was like 1 in, what was it, 7, 3, 5, 6, whatever. 3, 4, 6, yeah.
And just keep going with 0.
Times 10 to the power.
No, it was that. It was like that 1 in 7.3 billion chance, and the average male, lives for about 7.2 billion. So less seconds than chance.
Is that only how long you got seconds?
That's how many seconds you live
That's
for.
scary. That's not that long at all.
I think it's that. Hang on, let's have a look. Very quickly. Hang on. Well, let's finish this one first, and then I'll do that. So we're going to go very unlikely for that. You guys want it?
What about females?
A little bit longer. Yeah. Females have a slightly longer life expectancy than males. There's a reason for that. You don't do all the work. Oops, did that come in out loud? My wife will hear this and I won't ever see you again. She'll bury me somewhere out back. Okay, there are more spot cards. Okay, this one, describe the chance of drawing a spot or a numbered card from a deck of cards. Now I don't need numbers, I just want to know the probability, describe the chance. You're drawing a spotted card or a numbered card from a deck of cards. There's more numbered cards than there are others. Almost certain, you reckon? You reckon it's that? I'd probably go with probable. There's 52 cards in the deck. There are 12 picture cards. Or if you include the aces, there's 16. Okay? So that leaves either 40 or 36. Well, technically it's not a picture card because it doesn't have a picture. Most of them have one dot. They have the ace for one.
Well, except for the
But it depends on the brand of cards you buy, but normally they're not counted as a
What about
picture card.
jokers?
Jokers don't count, they're not part of the standard 52 card deck.
the spade is usually pictured.
Yeah, the ace of spades. Alright, well that's that one, guys.